Let me ask you a question. What's your biggest fear about retirement? For most people, it's running out of money. And with longer lifespans and a rising cost of living, that fear is real. But what if there was a way to build a financial foundation so solid you'd never have to ask, will my money last? Forget depending solely on 401ks and IRAs. They rise and fall with the market, and your future rides on that risk. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on a strategy the wealthy have used for decades. Whole life insurance, not the kind you hear about on late night TV. We're talking about policies built to create tax-free income with guaranteed growth and total control. I'm Steve Schlake with Legacy Builders, helping you keep more, grow smarter, and retire tax-free. Let's build your legacy. Here's how it works. When you pay your premiums, your policy's cash value grows at a guaranteed rate. No guesswork, no Wall Street gamble, and with certain policies, you'll earn dividends too. That means your money compounds steadily, no matter what the market's doing. When it's time to retire, you don't have to withdraw from your policy. You borrow against it. And those loans, tax-free. Why? Because it's not considered income. You decide when to access the cash. No IRS penalties, no age restrictions, no required minimum distributions. You're in control. Meanwhile, your cash value stays protected. Stock market crashes, doesn't matter. Your policy keeps growing year after year. Compare that to a 401k. One bad year can wipe out a decade of gains. With whole life, your growth is locked in. Peace of mind isn't a luxury. It's the foundation of a confident retirement. Knowing you have a reliable income stream, tax-free, flexible, and guaranteed, that's next level security. That's legacy building. Want to learn how to make this work for you? Download my free audiobook at SJS Legacy Builders. Book your one-on-one strategy session or join our live expert training sessions and get your questions answered directly.